8 Powerful Habits to Transform Your Life in 2025. Hello and welcome. As we step into 2025, let's talk about how you can make this year not just easier, but transformative. Life doesn't have to be an uphill battle every day. With the right mindset and habits, you can create a life that flows with purpose and joy. Here are 8 powerful things you can start doing today to make your life easier in 2025. Number 1. Declutter your life. Take a deep breath and look around. Is your space filled with things you no longer use? Decluttering isn't just about your physical surroundings. It's about your mental space too. Let go of items, commitments, and even toxic relationships that weigh you down. As Marie Kondo says, does it spark joy? If not, let it go. Start small. Clean a drawer, organize your schedule, or say no to unnecessary obligations. When you declutter, you create room for what truly matters. Number 2, prioritize your health. Your health is your wealth. In 2025, make your well-being non-negotiable. Eat nutritious meals, get moving, and sleep like your life depends on it, because it does. Small changes, like a 15-minute daily walk or reducing screen time before bed, can have a huge impact. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself first and watch how much more you can achieve. Number 3, master time management. Time is your most precious resource. In 2025, commit to mastering it. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, or time-blocking apps. Prioritize what truly matters instead of being busy with what doesn't. As Benjamin Franklin said, you may delay, but time will not. Make every moment count, and you'll find yourself less stressed and more accomplished. Number 4, focus on financial health. Money isn't everything, but it's a tool that can simplify life. This year, create a budget, cut unnecessary expenses, and start saving, even if it's just a small amount. Invest in your future, whether through a retirement fund, education, or learning a new skill. Financial freedom isn't about being rich, it's about having peace of mind. Number 5, build stronger relationships. Life is easier when you have the right people by your side. This year, nurture the relationships that matter. Spend quality time with loved ones, communicate openly, and don't be afraid to say, "I'm sorry" or "I forgive you." As Maya Angelou beautifully said, people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Number 6, learn to let go of control. Not everything will go your way, and that's okay. 2025 is the year to focus on what you can control and let go of what you can't. Practice acceptance and embrace change as an opportunity for growth. When you stop fighting the tide, you'll find the flow of life much easier to navigate. Number 7, invest in self-development. This is your year to grow. Whether it's reading books, taking online courses, or learning a new skill, invest in becoming a better version of yourself. Personal growth not only boosts confidence, but also opens doors to new opportunities. Jim Rohn once said, "Formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune." Number 8, practice gratitude daily. Finally, gratitude changes everything. Each day, take a moment to reflect on what you're thankful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. It's not happiness that brings gratitude, it's gratitude that brings happiness. Write it down, say it aloud, or simply feel it. Gratitude is the secret ingredient to a joyful and fulfilling life. 2025 is a blank slate, ready for you to paint your masterpiece. These 8 strategies are your tools to craft a life that's easier, more meaningful, and deeply fulfilling. Take action today, because every small step creates a ripple effect of positive change. Remember, the life you desire is within your reach. You just need to take the first step. Let's make 2025 your best year yet. Thank you for watching, and if this inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more.